In today's video, I am going to show you a classic trend strategy based on the ADX and momentum indicators. The strategy is very easy to understand and will suit both novice and experienced traders. It is mainly used for Forex in the time frame of 5 minutes. In my case, I'm going to use it on the euro-dollar on the 5-minute chart. The first thing we will have to do is select the ADX plus die indicator. For this indicator, we will change the ADX line to white and set the trend level to 25. Then we will select the momentum indicator and we will put the parameter of 14. We will place this line at the level of 0. For this, we will double-click on it, and in coordinates, we will put 0. Finally, we will select the Parabolic Sar indicator. We will leave this indicator as it comes by default. The rules for making a buy trade are very simple. We will place a buy trade when the white and green ADX lines are above 25 and the red line is below the green line. In addition, the momentum indicator must be above 0, and the Parabolic Sar must show points below the price. If all this is true, we will carry out the buy operation. We will place our stop loss at the last low and our take profit at the support and resistance zones with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. In the case of wanting to carry out a sell operation, we will wait for the white and red ADX line to be above 25 and the green line to be below the red one. In addition, the momentum indicator must be below 0, and the Parabolic Sar must show points above the price. If all this is fulfilled, we will carry out the sale operation. We will place our stop loss at the last high and our take profit at the support and resistance zones with a minimum risk-benefit ratio of 1:1. Let's see some more examples. And ready. I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.